We got ourselves a couple downpipes for the McLaren 720S. Straight catless downpipes, and we're gonna install them. When I was assembling the car, I did kind of see that there were signs that somebody took exhaust off. It had a different exhaust, different downpipes, and you can tell that it's been swapped over before the car went to auction or sooner than that. So I figured the car must have a tune, and it does indeed have a tune. What does that mean? That means we're gonna install some downpipes on this car and make it real loud, possibly shoot some flames, big pops and bangs, and make it sound like a real supercar.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these wrestlers nice, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 80 Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. I'm faced with a lot of different choices these days. Do a rock and roll next account of Blueface. The whole world know my name off a mixtape. I still got the same brother since 6th grade. G-Wagon red seats, we on Biscayne. Trips to the Florida Keys, we imported.
There's our factory cats right here. So we just have to do on this 8mm and then undo the clamps on both sides, and we should be able to get to the rest of it from underneath.
And I stayed the same. I had teardrops running down my face. I've been through a lot. I had real pain, but thank God, 'cause we really on the better days. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta.
Check out this RS6 with the rear wheel steering. Damn, that's pretty awesome. Probably should have taken the second grinder off. here's our factory stock cats, and then this is going to be our new catless downpipe. Here's the driver's side, and then the driver's side downpipe. Not too bad taking it apart. I was able to wiggle it out from here. Didn't even have to take the bottom shield out. So now we're gonna slide, should go in a lot easier now that it's smaller tube. I'm excited. Let's get these downpipes installed and see what they sound like. Downpipes are installed, O2 sensors are plugged in, and then I installed the air pipes. Up top we buttoned it up as well. And same on this side. Here's our downpipe. Here's our air inlet. And everything looks good. I'm gonna get the car on the ground. I'm gonna install the wheels. Also, I'm gonna test some wheel spacers while I'm at it. But I want the car to be on the ground when I start it, because I think the suspension throws some faults when you start it up in the air. Throw the wheels on, put a couple wooden blocks underneath the wheels, and then I set the car on the ground. And we can fire it up, see what it sounds like. Got rid of those heavy old cats, and now we're gonna breathe easy. Wheels installed. I put 20mm spacers. I think that might be a little too big, but we'll worry about that later. Ooh, that is a little fat. All right, let's do it. Wow, this thing sounds a beast. This thing is finally alive how it should be. I feel like it's breathing easy and it's just sounding so good. Wow. Oh my. Finally unleashed the full potential of the 720S. Wow, what a car.